Hi guys, we're back with lesson number 7 of our course on how to start a dropshipping business. In the former lesson, we spoke about Facebook ads, and now it is time to open a new social media sales channel for your store. This new channel is Instagram. Why should you consider using Instagram shopping ads? Well, for one, because Instagram is growing in popularity and many dropshippers find it easier to sell products here than on Facebook using beautiful pictures and product tags. Keep on watching this video to learn how to connect your catalog and how to start running campaigns on Instagram as well. Instagram business account. To run an Instagram campaign, you need to activate an Instagram business account, enable Instagram shopping, and connect Instagram to your Facebook catalog. So the first thing you want to do is to create an account on Instagram and transform it from personal in a business account by clicking the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down till you see Switch to Business Profile. Instagram will ask you for permission to manage your Facebook pages. Select your store's Facebook business page and then click Next. Now you have to complete the profile setup. Enter email, phone number and address of your business. Click Done and then go to your profile. A new graph icon should appear at the top of the Instagram app. This is your Insights page, where you can keep track of all promotions and engagement statistics. Connect your catalog. Once you have an Instagram business account, it is time to connect your Instagram page with your Facebook page. Just visit your business manager, click on Business Settings, then on Account and connect your Instagram account. Once you have done that, visit the data source catalog page and check if your Shopify catalog is already connected with your business manager. If you followed our lesson step by step, at this point you should already be able to see your Shopify catalog here. If you don't have one, from here you can create a new one. Set up Instagram shopping and tags. Once your account and catalog are connected, go to the Instagram app to sign up for a shopping account. Visit your profile settings, tap Business and then Instagram Shopping. Follow the steps to make sure that everything is good to go and submit your account for review. Usually the approval process takes a few days, but sometimes it can take longer. Once your shopping account is approved, you can start to tag your products and make posts like this one, where the customer can click on the image and see the name of the products and price. To add a tag to a post, just select the picture, tap Tag Products from the share screen. Tap the products in the photo you want to tag. Enter the names of the products and then select them as they appear in the search box. Click Done. Now your tag is done. Click Share and start selling. Launch your Instagram campaign. Instagram Shopping lets business tag products directly in their posts to make it easier for people to discover and engage with products. Advertisers can now use shopping posts as ads for campaigns created in Ads Manager. When you run a shopping post as an ad, the ad will show the products that were originally tagged in the organic media. Before you start, create an organic shopping post in the Instagram app by tagging products from your catalog. You can use a single image post or carousel for your shopping ads. At this point, go to Ads Manager, create a new campaign, as we already saw for Facebook, and choose an objective, for example, conversions. Then go in the ad settings, select In Placement Only Instagram feed. At the ad set level, select Use Existing Post. Choose the shopping post you'd like to run as an ad. Finish writing all the details for your ad and select Continue. You have now set up an Instagram shopping ad. You can track the performance of your campaign in the same way you'd measure other campaigns. So what are you waiting for? Start running your first Instagram campaign right away. And keep on following this course as we unveil together some good hacks to increase your conversions and effectively boost your sales. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like this lesson, please leave us a 5-star review.